I'm probably saving 10 to 15% on top of what I would have been paying elsewhere. You guys definitely helped me speed up my goals into a much shorter time window than if I were trying to do this myself or go a different route. While I do run some businesses and have some interest in that, really from an investment perspective, it's really just solely real estate. Maybe I just had one property when I started working with you guys, but now we're up to 6 and just continuing to grow and scale from there. I realized that if I wanted to continue to grow and scale, I needed to have a better solution than I had. And then secondly, is I wanted to find ways to minimize taxes from an income perspective legally. I did have a CPA, but they weren't really specializing in real estate. I realized that I wasn't getting the tax benefits with that model, and it wasn't as much protection as I had initially thought. If I want to go buy a property, how do I buy it? Do I buy it in my personal name? Do I try to set up an LLC? The biggest thing was framework and mindset, because so many people are, just, okay, well, I'm going to move from this thing over here to that thing. And, anybody can go do that. But the knowledge and the resources to be able to put together a framework and say, okay, here's your model for Hunter, and here's what he's going to be doing. And then if you want to do more, here's the 1, 2, 3, 4 step process to do that. I've looked into some of the other different competitors who do similar things to you all, but I really feel like the support was there, at least from looking on at the beginning. And now that I've been working with you all for a year and a half, it's definitely been there from my experience. The different paralegals and attorneys there are always very responsive via email. They can help you with everything from estate planning, everything from your entity and your asset protection, which is very important. It's always good to know that you have people in your corner ready and willing to fight for you. If anyone's interested in Royal Legal, I can't say better things.